James Kaufman, World News Report today. Police body cam footage shows super drunk and belligerent federal judge after crashing his Cadillac. Well, they managed to hide it since October, but it's all out now. Another federal judge thinking he is above the law. Let's pray he's not. 72-year-old U.S. District Judge Thomas Ludington, a George W. Bush appointee, was arrested after he crashed his Cadillac. The incident happened last October, but the police body cam footage has just recently been released. The police body cam footage shows a super drunk Judge Ludington slurring his words as he denied having anything to drink. The Michigan-based judge's blood alcohol level was 0.27, more than 3 times the legal limit. Now that is getting up there. I had a 0.27. WZZM13 reported the judge was arrested in Emmett County in October 2025, accused of driving under the influence. Ludington is facing an operating while intoxicated charge and an OWI with a blood alcohol content of 0.17 or higher. That basically means really drunk. Michigan State body camera footage from his arrest shows Ludington telling an officer he didn't know his car had crashed or why his airbags were deployed, and he showed extreme difficulty following police instructions. State police records indicate that his blood alcohol level was 0.27, which is above the legal limit of 0.08. In Michigan, 0.17 is known as super drunk. So he's beyond super drunk. Let's listen.
The Michigan State Police body camera video of the arrest of a federal judge from mid-Michigan is released. The judge's blood alcohol level being well above the legal limit. 72-year-old District Court Judge Thomas Ludington was arrested in Emmett County back in October, suspected of driving under the influence. He was charged with being super drunk, that charge for someone whose blood alcohol level is double the legal limit. Terry joins us here in the studio, and Terry, the police report shows it was even higher than that.
Yes, Dawn, the police report indicated Thomas Ludington's blood alcohol level was 0.27. The body camera video shows a man who didn't know how his car crashed, didn't know why his airbags were deployed, and had trouble following police instructions.
Sir, can you get out of the vehicle, or is your door stuck?
Well, I can get out. I'm not exactly sure why these deployed.
It's a little after 7 o'clock at night on a rural curved road in Springvale Township, east of Petoskey in Emmett County. The police report shows a caller saw a black Cadillac driving with its hazard lights on and crash into some signs and almost rolled over.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah. Tom, how much you had to drink today?
Nothing tonight.
Nothing.
Ludington tells the trooper he is a federal judge. Ludington was appointed to the bench in 2006 by President George W. Bush. Ludington lives in Midland County, but told police he was on his way to his vacation home in Harbor Springs.
I want you to be honest with me. Tell me how much you had to drink today.
Seriously, I don't think I had anything.
You don't think so? Where are you coming from?
Federal court in Bay City, Michigan.
In Bay City?
Yeah.
So you've driven all the way up from Bay City?
Yep.
The trooper shows Ludington the damage on the right side of his vehicle, but Ludington tells him he can't explain how it happened and why the airbags went off. Ludington had difficulty understanding the sobriety test at times, and the trooper grew frustrated when the judge wasn't blowing into the portable breathalyzer.
Once you try that again, take a deep breath.
What are we doing here?
We're taking a preliminary breath test because you're not following my instructions.
Why not?
Because you're not blowing.
Then Ludington got frustrated.
I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
Okay. Go ahead and take that for me. All right, sir, turn around, place your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for operating under the influence tonight.
Ludington was put in the state police vehicle, calling the state trooper an expletive before being driven away.
Again, the state police report showed Ludington's blood alcohol level was 0.27, well above the legal limit of 0.08 and above the level of 0.17, known as super drunk. He faces a charge of operating with that high BAC. I reached out to his attorney for comment but did not hear back. Thomas Ludington is still serving as the U.S. District Court Judge in Bay City.
Still serving as the U.S. Federal District Judge in Bay City, Michigan. Unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, you saw it right here. He looked sober to me. Let me know what you think. Is he going to get, justice handed to him? Or is he going to get a slap on the wrist and continue to judge others? Please share and give us a thumbs up. Remember that anything's possible in Bizarro World.